Hello, today I'm at Kirby Commercials on the Alcester Road at Portway. And I'm delighted to show you one of the first original F100 Ford Rangers. This baby's from 1965 and originally imported from North Carolina. As you can see, it has front and rear chrome bumpers with white sidewall tyres and original hubcaps. It makes this truck very nice to look at. I'll show you the interior and start it up. As you can see, it has Ragoon red bucket seats like that of a Ford Mustang during this time period. I'll start it up. This truck's 49 years old. Let's listen to its engine. Not bad. It's a 4-speed Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. Original instrumentals. And the whole truck has not been tampered with and is completely original. As you can see, the interior kind of has a red theme going on, which makes it stand out. But it also has, on the dashboard, black and cream, which blend together well. For a 49-year-old car, it's not equipped that badly. And who cares anyway, when you look as cool driving this as you will. I'll show you the exterior and the loading space. It's a nice truck. The red and cream theme kind of carries on around the truck. With a tailgate and loading space at the back. After you've loaded the truck, you can have a nice, well-deserving rest and look pretty cool whilst doing so. The cream roof really makes this truck stand out and really is quite special. Custom cab. Although this truck's not for sale, it's nice to show you. I like to call him Mater, and I hope you liked seeing this truck as much as I like reviewing it. If you like this video, press like, leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you.